Hey, you working? Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to Blue Bite Noise channel. As you can hear, Lucille's back. So we're in that intro and we'll talk about it. I owe y'all some numbers, don't I? That feels good. Alright, so the numbers are, it's a lot. Oh me. Alright, so we're gonna go for a little ride today. I don't know where the sun's coming out. It's topping off at supposed to get up to 60 degrees today, but it is, well, it says 67, but that's been sitting out in the sun and that for a while, so it might get acclimated. So, yeah. Hey, how y'all doing? How your mom and them? Well, it's not went down any. So, the numbers are 146 horsepower, 126 torque, somewhere along there, 125 torque. Alright. He said they got that 57mm throttle body on here now. Not throttle body, but just the intake, aluminum intake. He said that he went across the parking lot and he got on it and left a black mark. He said like it scared him. He said the response is better. Oh, yes sir. Jerk your head back. But yeah, he's got a big wheel bagger in there. I think big wide is a 21-inch front wheel that's as big as the back wheel. So this will be out later on. I don't know when it'll be out, but that's the deal. Is 146 horsepower. It was I think stock was like, I don't remember what stock was. I have to go back and see if I can find them numbers again. But he, and then it was 134. So I gained 12 horsepower or somewhere on there. 134 and 146. So, yeah, so let's get to the house so she can get her spider out. Let's hope it runs. Nope, you won't see me in a few. I might just go ahead and close this out, make it a little short video. Yes, sir. Oh, me, I'm gonna giggle. Yeah, buddy, I like it a lot. So, that was the numbers. We'll tell you who won the contest later. Which that contest comes out the 25th, runs through the first of the year. So, this might be out. I don't know when this one will be out. After the first of the year, maybe. We'll see. So, you can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you later. I don't know where this lady knows where she's going. Yeehaw! Just the good old boys.